there, this is Elisa with WTI. Summer's here and my husband and I were looking for a very practical AC that's portable, and we found this one that we have been loving from ProBreeze. This air conditioner from ProBreeze is super practical, functional, and cute. I love the fact that it's 4-in-1, so it's great for air conditioner, dehumidifier, fan, and sleep mode. I really love its size. I love the fact that it's white and it's very easy to move around and it's super easy to install. The company also provides you with the window kits that come with dual option for either sliding windows or hinge windows. This is a 10,000 British thermal unit, which is perfect for a big room, for a bedroom, or for your office. I love the fact that it comes with a remote control, but you can also download an app that allows you to control it from your phone. Yep, this is super practical because if you forget to turn it off, when you leave, you can always turn it off even if you're away from home, or if you want your place to be cool, when you get home, you can always control it from your phone. The perfect size, so no need for that big bulky AC on your window that not only does it look ugly, but it also takes so much light away. Here's a ProBreeze portable AC that we are loving. Portable AC is super practical, functional. I love its size and I love the fact that you can move it from room to room. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.